Looking to upgrade your PC with cooler temps and killer RGB lighting? Today I'm breaking down the best RGB PC case fans that deliver big airflow, smooth lighting effects, and great value. If you want your setup to look and perform better, stick around. These fans are worth checking out. And don't forget, all product links are in the description, so grab the one that fits your build. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more PC gear videos. So let's get started. Product 5, Corsair RS120 RGB 120mm PWM fan triple pack. Upgrade your build with Corsair RS120 ARGB triple fan pack. Silent high performance cooling for gaming rigs and workstation builds radiator or case mounting. Ready for intense thermal loads. Daisy chain connectors manage multiple fans with one PWM header. Single +5V ARGB header controls all lighting, no controller needed. Up to 2100 RPM delivering focused airflow, up to 72.8 CFM, high static pressure, 2.8 mm H2O, pushes air through radiators. Corsair AirGuide anti-vortex vanes concentrate airflow to hot spots. 8 individually addressable LEDs per fan for vivid lighting. Magnetic dome bearings for near frictionless, ultra-quiet long lifespan. 0 RPM mode. Silences fans at low loads automatically. Tidy cable management and synchronized lighting. Effortless installation. Turn noisy, cluttered builds into quiet, RGB clean performance machines. Perfect for PC builders, gamers, and RGB enthusiasts. Upgrading today, grab the Corsair RS120 ARGB triple pack. Check out the product link in the description to see the full specs and today's price. Product 4, Corsair 3500X RGB white mid-tower PC case. Imagine your piece is a living, glowing centerpiece. Panoramic tempered glass wraps your build like museum glass. 3 pre-installed RS120 ARGB fans, instant cooling and vivid lighting. Plug into a +5V ARGB header, no controller required. Side, roof, bottom mounts, supporting up to 10 120mm fans. Radiator-ready interior fits up to 360mm liquid cooling solutions. Spacious layout accommodates large GPUs and massive CPU coolers. Removable front and side tempered glass for easy access. Compatible with Asus, BTF, and MSI. Project Zero reverse motherboards. Cable-free. Showcase. Show off your clean, uninterrupted interior. White wraparound design. Minimalist, gallery-grade aesthetics for any desk. Builder-friendly features. PSU shroud. Modular mounts. Superb cable management. Optimized airflow keeps performance high gauge without sacrificing stunning looks. Perfect for gamers, creators, and hardware enthusiasts seeking flair. Build the showpiece PC you deserve. Hit the link in the description to see the full details and snag it for your setup. Product 3, Lianli V100 ARGB Mid-Tower PC Case Black. You don't need oversized cases for top-tier cooling performance. I'm a system builder. Cable chaos still ruins airflow efficiency. Also, RGB often looks good but compromises thermal design. Enter the Lianli V100, engineered for performance and presentation. 4 pre-installed 120mm PWM ARGB fans balance airflow and silence. Fans run to 1800 RPM, hitting 60 CFM with low noise. Integrated 26 LED ARGB strip synchronizes with motherboards for unified lighting. Unique slanted PSU shroud provides a dedicated display platform. 270-degree tempered glass showcases builds while maintaining streamlined airflow. Toolless side panels and back connect layout speed up installations. Supports up to 480mm GPUs and 360mm radiators for enthusiasts. Includes low-profile GB01 GPU support bracket, preventing sag and strain. I tested high-end GPU, water cooling loop, temps stayed impressively low. Build looks like a showcase and performs like a pro. If you build seriously, check the product link in the description to see today's price and full details. Product 2, Corsair 4000D RGB high airflow PC case. Tired of cramped cases throttling your GPU and airflow? Cable chaos, limited radiators, and awkward fan placements everywhere. Meet the Corsair Frame 4000D RGB modular case. Frame modular system lets you swap panels and upgrade freely. 3 pre-installed RGB fans, 8 LEDs each, stunning lighting. Daisy chainable 4-pin PWM, 0 RPM mode for quiet builds. InfiniRail sliding mounts, place fans or radiators exactly where needed. Supports dual 360mm radiators for serious liquid cooling setups. 3D Y-pattern steel front minimizes restriction for maximum intake. Remove panel for side fans or use as cable cover. Wider, longer interior fits GPUs up to 430 nm easily. Built for reverse connection motherboards like Asus, MSI, Gigabyte projects. Tempered glass side shows clean cables, glowing ARGB fans. Perfect for gamers, modders, and system integrators building art. We provide the frame, you create the art. Check the product link in the description to see today's price and full details. Product 1. Mustex K2 ATX case with 6 RGB fans, black. Think more RGB means worse airflow? That's outdated tech. I'm a PC builder and reviewer with years of experience. Many cases sacrifice cooling for looks, or vice versa. Meet Mustex K2, balance, performance, and showcase design. 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans optimize airflow and lighting. Anti-vortex blades ensure steady airflow, reducing hotspots effectively. Spacious ATX layout supports GPUs up to 400 nm length. Top mount supports up to 360mm radiator for liquid cooling. 270-degree dual-tempered glass delivers a wider, durable showcase. High-speed Type-C and 2 USB 3.0 ports included. Magnetic top filter and PSU dust filter minimize contamination. ARGB lights integrate with motherboard software for infinite modes. I tested heavy GPU and radiator builds. Temperatures remain stable. Gamers, DIY builders, and RGB fans will appreciate versatility. Check the product link in the description to see it in action. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear recommendations.